Hello everybody, I'm D-Dog-M, and finally I got the camera working right, and it turns out the fireworks are still on. I just I just couldn't hear them. Right now you can't really quite hear them too well, or see them. Yeah, I'm just kind of showing you guys all the houses around my area. I hope they didn't stop her as I turn on the recording. That would suck, wouldn't that? Oh, I think they did. Oh, that sucks. Oh, but I guess I could still post this. Hey, and everyone, I'm going to be making a video tomorrow with Hawk9 and on his channel. Reggie, it's about his channel. Click on my channel tomorrow to find out what I'm talking about. But let's just say he won't be posting any content for a little while. Bye, everyone.